Hi. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can add a split payment option inside your ProductDyno checkout. To get started, go to the product or collection you're working on and head over to the Payment Gateway section. Now, click on the Add Payment button, choose your desired checkout template, and click the Next button. Give it a title of your choice. After that, choose your payment gateway, either PayPal or Stripe. If PayPal or Stripe isn't showing on your end, you'll first need to add them under Global Integrations. Please note that the split payment option is only available for one-time payments, and it will not work for subscription payments. As you can see, when I select subscription, it will be hidden. So make sure you select one-time payment. After that, enter the one-time amount you want to charge. Add the thank you page URL. Now, let's enable the split payment option. Here you'll be asked to set up a few details. First, we have split payment count, where we choose how many installments you want to divide the payment into. After that, set the frequency and frequency type, which means how often each installment will be charged, like every few days, months, or years. Now enter the exact amount for each installment. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. Let's preview the checkout page. Here you'll notice two options: one-time payment, where the full amount is paid at once, or split payment, where the amount is paid in installments according to the schedule you set. If you notice any mistake or want to change the payment schedule, don't worry. Just go back to the checkout, click Edit, and update the settings as needed. Once everything looks good, save again and you're all set. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.